I used to tell myself I would start dressing once I lost the weight. I would buy new clothes when I finally felt like myself again. This was only temporary, but weeks turned into months, and months turned into me avoiding my own closet. I wasn't just waiting for a smaller body, I was waiting to feel worthy again. And one day, I realized something very important. Life was not waiting for me to be ready. So why was I waiting for it? Nobody really prepares you for what happens when your body changes. Not just what you see in the mirror, what it does to you underneath. The clothes you loved stop fitting the same. You stop taking pictures. Getting dressed starts to feel like a task instead of a joy. And some mornings you look at yourself and wonder where she went. Here's what I got wrong. My mistakes was never that my body changed. Bodies do that. That's not a failure. My mistake was believing I had to earn the right to feel beautiful again. When I lose the weight, I promise I'll buy the clothes. When I get back in shape, I promise I'll start showing up for myself. When I finally look like myself, I promise I will live my life. But what if that day takes another year? Was I supposed to spend a whole year hiding? So I made a decision. Instead of dressing for the woman I hope to become, I decided to learn how to love the woman standing in front of me today. That doesn't mean I gave up on my goals. I'm still working out. I'm still choosing better for myself. I'm still becoming. But becoming was never supposed to mean my current self deserved less care. Ecclesiastes reminds us there is a time for every season. That means this season, the one you're in right now, was never a mistake to sit out of. It was always meant to be lived into. If you're the one waiting to lose weight before you feel confident, waiting for life to feel perfect before you show up, can I tell you something I wish somebody told me sooner? You do not have to hate today's version of yourself to become tomorrow's version. Both women deserve love. Both women deserve kindness. Both women deserve to get dressed like they matter. Both women deserve to be seen. Maybe that's what the season has been teaching me. Confidence doesn't show up after the transformation. Sometimes confidence is what carries you through it. So today, wear the outfit, take the picture, go to the dinner, show up. Your life was never waiting on your goal body, so neither should you. You don't become her overnight. You become her intentionally.